In the following days, thousands of Tibetans took to the street of its capital, Lhasa, to call for Tibet's freedom from China's illegal occupation. The popular protest was cracked down brutally by the Chinese government, both in the capital, Lhasa, and across Tibet. In the ensuing crackdown by the People's Liberation Army, 1.2 million men, women, and children died or killed. Thousands of monks, nuns, women, and men were sent into Chinese concentration camps. Over 6,000 monasteries and sacred religious sites destroyed. His Holiness the Dalai Lama was forced to escape his homeland into exile, the neighboring country India, where he remains ever since, along with over 100,000 Tibetans.
Stop the religion genocide! In Tibet! Stop the religion genocide! In Tibet! Stop the religion genocide! In Tibet! Stop the human genocide! In Tibet! Stop the human genocide! In Tibet!
Culture genocide! In Tibet! Culture genocide! In Tibet! No religious freedom! In Tibet! No religious freedom! In Tibet!
China out!
Out of Tibet!
China out!
Out of Tibet!
China out!
Out of Tibet!
Yogi Tapo! Yogi Tapo! Yogi!
So we have a small city in Canton Vaud, where I live, that decided a few years ago to put the Tibetan flag on the city, on the building, on the city council. And then the Chinese embassy, they made a decision and they said to the Swiss government and to the government of Canton Vaud to react. And then the government in Canton Vaud sent a letter to all the cities from the region to say to them, oh, that's complicated, you cannot do that. So that shows that also for China, when there is a small town in a small country like Switzerland, that shows that that soft power is not so strong. When they see a small resistance somewhere, then they feel embarrassed and they feel that their power is not so strong. So I will ask you something really concrete now, because when there is a word, someone talks about something in Tibetan, when you have a flyer, when you have a book, when you have that cultural resistance, that shows something to the Chinese government. So I will tell you maintenant de montrer vos drapeaux. You can zeigen Sie eure Fahnen jetzt, or show up now your Tibetan flags, and to show that for a long time now we can show it to the Chinese government and show it also to the Swiss government here, that we will make a lot of resistance and that in a few years everything will change, because that Chinese soft power is not so strong. Thank you.
Thank you.